Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So, sorry my hair looks a little strange because I had it in a ponytail, so it's kind of like poofed up. But if you saw the title of today's video, you might think that I'm going to prom. I'm not. Prom for my old school that I used to go to happened like weeks ago, and I don't even really know anyone from there anymore. Like, I don't hang out with those people. And technically, I'm still in 10th grade, even if I'm like ahead in school, so like, couldn't really go. But just because I can't go to real prom doesn't mean I can't make a prom video. So this is also kind of late because like it's not even really that much of prom season anymore. But there's this company that reached out to me, and the company's name is JJ's House. And they sent me some beautiful prom dresses so that I could make a video. And I like watching these even when it's not prom season, so like. Also, so I wanted to let you know I got my nails done. I say it like that. I didn't get my nails done just for a prom video. I did them myself because I was really bored. So one day I bought an acrylic nail kit and did them myself. Okay, hi, here's my face. So I do have a little bit of concealer on because I had to drop my car off. But yeah, so I'm just using micellar water and a little sponge. Just a little because I don't have much makeup on. But what I was saying was I had to drop my car off because the dealership that I got it from, well, Car Sense, they had an IOU for me because the paint's kind of chipped on the front. You can barely really tell, but I just wanted to get it done. And since I'm going on vacation, in 2 days I leave for vacation. So I thought, why not like leave my car there when I probably won't need it. But like, it's 2 days from vacation, so I'm kind of carless for the next 2 days, which kind of sucks. First, we're going to be starting out with this, which is Glossier Priming Moisturizer. And I really love this. Whenever I have nails though, oh, that was a lot. Whenever I have nails, I have to use my knuckle to get it out of there, and I kind of hate it, but it's okay. Because like getting it under your nails is just so uncomfortable and gross, because then it's just stuck under your nail. But I'm gonna rub this in. This, which you've probably already seen, like this makeup routine if you've watched my other videos, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be pretty similar. So I'm using this Glossier Skin Tint. This is in the shade Dark. I know what you're thinking. Girl, you ain't dark. Because, girl, I ain't dark. But this is the shade that it actually matched me to on the website. And when I have a tan, this is my shade. And I was gonna fake tan for this video, and because I like fake tanning, but I just kind of didn't, because it's kind of like time consuming to tan, and then you kind of feel all like sticky, you know? Anyways, I blend this in with a brush. I use this brush by Real Techniques, and I also get the brush wet with just some Morphe setting spray. Tiny bit, because I conserve that stuff because I go through setting spray way too fast. And it's not that that's like super expensive or anything. It's actually why I switched away from the Urban Decay one and went over to the Morphe one, because it's so much cheaper. But I actually just like the Morphe one better too. But like, I use that stuff too fast. So it's very like low coverage, but I like that because I don't know, I think it just adds like a nice color to your skin and a little bit of smoothing, and it doesn't like cake up or anything. This concealer that I'm using looks like this. It's just the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10, which is light, which it's literally almost darker than the Glossier one, which is kind of confusing, but like whatever. But I use this for more coverage in these areas that are kind of pink, and I also use it to kind of color correct, because if you use like a little bit of a darker shade and then put lighter concealer over it, it can work as color corrector. And I don't like using like actual color correctors because I don't wear that much makeup usually. And color correctors you need like foundation over and stuff, and I hate foundation. There's that. So now I'm going to conceal with my Shape Tape, which looks like this. I don't know if I talked about this in my last video. My Shape Tape gets like super dirty, but I cleaned it off and it's clean now, but it keeps getting more and more dirty. So this is in shade 16N, which is Fair Light Neutral. I wanted one shade lighter, but it was sold out. So this works with the base that I have now, but if I'm trying to like just wear concealer, this is too dark and it kind of ends up looking kind of pinky. I'll just lighten up the makeup more and then darken it with bronzer. Oh yeah, also it's the middle of a day. It's like 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock on a Thursday. And I'm doing all my prom stuff for my fake prom. Just kidding. I'm probably not even gonna post a picture and all this because like I'm not trying to actually fake that I went to prom. I'm just trying to make a video and pretend like I am because that's fun. It's time for me to set all of this in place, and I'm gonna use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. As usual, it's what I use all the time, like every day. It's good. I haven't really tried anything else, so I don't know if there's a better one, but oh. I'm also using a different beauty blender. This one's not a real beauty blender, the other one is. This one is Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna push this in under my eyes because I would really like my under eyes to not crease or set, and this is how I do it whenever I wear lots of makeup. I set under my eyes pretty heavily, but like if you use this beauty blender and push it in, it makes it stay longer. Yep. And then I'm also gonna like pull this down because I don't want it to like get caked there. And blend all of this out. And now I'm gonna take a little more powder and do my cheeks. I'm gonna contour using the Anastasia contour kit in shades light to medium, and I'm just gonna use this one right here. And I'm gonna use another little random brush. Up to my jaw and my top of my nose. I am going to do blush now. If you watch some of my other videos, I'm literally allergic to this blush, but I use L'Oreal True Match. I have two of them. I like them both, but I feel like since my makeup's darker, I should use the darker pink for today. So this is shade C56. So I'm just gonna do my cheeks. I love blush. I'm gonna use this, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I don't like it that much, but it's been growing on me. I got it on sale, but all I do is I thought my battery was dying. I was like, are you kidding me? All I do is very gently underline, like the ombre look. And then here, I'm just gonna go along the top line of my brow like usual. So now it looks kind of bad, but then if you brush it through and blend it, it adds a more natural vibe. So yeah. Next up, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, which I oftentimes mess up on eyeshadow, so just like wish me luck. And I'm gonna use the shade Charmer from Tarte, which is this little white one. Like, wow! And I'm just gonna cover my eyelid with it. Smarty Pants in this one, which is this. Kind of brown. I'm not going for a very heavy look, cause like I'm bad at eyeshadow. I feel like I mess it up every time I try and like do something. But I'm just using this in my crease. The other eye. Anyways, next up I'm going in with, I believe, a mixture of Jet Setter and Rebel. Very small amount of Rebel because girl is a dark color. Same on this side. So I'm just using this flat brush, and I'm using, in the Modern Renaissance, I'm using the shade Primavera. Kind of like fake a cut crease. But yeah. It's definitely made a difference, so I recommend putting it on with your finger. Okay. The Sugar Glow Kit is the one I'm using, and I'm gonna use this golden one, which you can see I like a lot because like it's all gone. It's butterscotch. And I'm gonna go over my inner corner a little more. And I'm gonna do it on this one. And I'm also going to get my eyebrow. And eyebrow. Trash truck going by again. Nose highlight, of course. And get my bridge of my nose. Now I'm gonna highlight my lip. And I'm gonna use a bigger highlighting brush in the same color. Highlight my cheeks. But I'm gonna set my face because I don't like setting when I'm using mascara because it like runs. Anyways, I'm gonna use Better Than Sex. This is a little sample one because I didn't want to buy the big one if I didn't know if I like it or not. And I do, but I don't feel like I don't like the wand, so I don't think I'm gonna buy the big one. But dark and nice. So now I'm going to put my bottom lashes on, which is what I'm gonna do with this CoverGirl Clump Crusher. It's from Giant too. Here's the look. Welcome back to the full screen view. For my hair, ow! I'm gonna leave it straight and I'm gonna put in some extensions. Okay. Oh my god, my hair color looks kind of good right now. My hair color is like different every day because of having it bleached. If you know, like depending on what shampoo you use, your hair looks different like every day. Guys, I have a fake ponytail and I'm kind of thinking that's better, so I think I'm gonna do a fake ponytail. So for my fake ponytail look, I need to pull my hair up very high. So where's my hairbrush? Ow. Okay, so here's the ponytail. Kind of not my same color as my hair because it is synthetic, but I'm gonna gently brush it. So I also saw that if you put like more hair ties on your hair, it'll like make the ponytail stand up more. So I'm gonna put some scrunchies underneath of here. Who did this, but I saw someone do it and it made it look a lot better. So there's my scrunchies. So this is from Bellamy Hair, by the way. It was free because I ordered extensions and I got a free ponytail. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So you take this little clip and you just kind of put it in the front of your hair. And then you take this piece stuck it on there before. This is interesting. I'm gonna use bobby pins, by the way, just to push that little piece flat down. Oh my gosh. It's kind of flat. You can kind of see my hair sticking through, but that's okay, I don't really care. I am gonna hairspray this flat. Oh, someone took my hairspray, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put my dresses on. So let me talk about the brand JJ's House. So they sent me 3 prom dresses that I got to choose, and they're all so beautiful and nice quality, and they have really good prices. So I will show you the 3 dresses and I will try them on and show you how they all look, because if you're going to prom or any event, they have such good prices. I got these dresses and they're such nice quality for really good prices. So I'm gonna try them all on now and I'm gonna show you what they all look like. I also need the full experience, so I got some heels too. Be right there.
So you're still thinking
video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up and a like, and comment down below what you like to see next to my channel, or what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy, what you think I could improve on. I know lots of people think my sound's bad, but when I'm editing it and like listening it to myself, I can hear it just fine. So I don't know, I'll order a microphone or something, because I don't know why that's an issue. But also the links to the dresses will be in the description, as well as a link to JJ's house so you can look at dresses for yourself. And I want to say thank you so much to JJ's house for sending me these dresses. It was very nice to work with their company, and I hope that I helped some of you find a nice dress or find a nice company where you can get nice dresses.